Chama, so that's an issue right now. And because we're heading into that time frame where we're going to be looking at our warmest temperatures of the year over the next month, this is really a critical period, and it doesn't look like we're going to get any help precip-wise anytime soon. But part of our issue today is the fact we have a couple storms out there, and it's that weird middle ground where we end up with just enough moisture to touch off a few dry lightning strikes over the northern mountains and not enough to really soak those strikes and put them out. So that's a tough go, and that's exactly what we're going to have to deal with throughout the rest of today. And then thankfully the moisture actually will come down enough that we're not going to have any new ignitions, it doesn't look like, over the next few days. But the problem is dangerous heat. Out across the northeast, we're picking up a couple sprinkles, and up over the northern mountains and out to the northeast, we are grabbing a couple showers as well at this point. Otherwise, it's pretty quiet. In the metro, hot, 98 degrees. Winds right now are calm, not a factor there. As far as temps go, 80s and 90s across the north, down to the south, pretty much across the board, from Deming over through Alamogordo, Roswell, Carlsbad, all at 100 or better. Tucumcari, another one of those real hot spots across the state, 104 right now. You throw the winds into the mix here, and this is the kind of fire danger that is off the charts high. 35 miles an hour in Alamosa, 21 Taos, 21 Santa Fe, 22 in Grants, and 31 out in Gallup. We throw the winds into the mix here for tomorrow, and they're going to be a factor over the northern mountains, where we're going to see wind gusts up to 40 miles an hour over the high terrain. Not as much wind as you go a little farther to the south, thankfully, but we're still going to see 15 to 20 mile an hour winds out there. And into Wednesday, winds will still going to be in that 15 to 25 mile an hour range across many of the higher ridge lines. So it is a concern at this point. And as you can see, a little bit of moisture going today. And again, sort of the worst of both worlds in that respect. Nice to have the showers, but too often it's more lightning strikes than it is actual rain. So for tonight, look for very warm conditions, clear skies out there, temperatures only bottoming out right around 70. Record highs will be possible for tomorrow across parts of the state. Very warm temperatures, and with a high sort of wobbling over the southwest here over the next couple of days, the warm conditions will continue. The high fire danger will continue as well. The one change we're looking at is by about Friday, a little weather disturbance may well come in to the state. Could bring a few more showers across the area into the beginning of the weekend. Is this a big time storm? No, it's not. But could it do enough to bring at least a few showers? It's a possibility, and maybe raise those humidity levels as well. Till we get there, a lot of sunshine and a lot of heat. As you can see in the Durango forecast, high 80s, mid 90s around places like Farmington and Grants. Across the southwest, we're looking at temperatures in the 90s to triple digits. A lot of sunshine and very, very hot. Over to the southeast, 100 degrees or better, Carlsbad, Roswell, and as you head up into the northeastern section of the state, or east central sections anyway, 105 in Tucumcari, 101 Santa Rosa, 96 in Raton. Plenty of wind over the high terrain, so if we get any lightning strikes today, which you've already seen, those could take off tomorrow with southwest winds 20 to 30, gusting to 40. East Mountains, partly cloudy and hot, 93 in Cedar Crest, 97 in Edgewood. Finally, right here in the metro, temperatures in the high 90s downtown and in the valley, heights at 98 degrees. Very warm conditions, close to 100 on average every year. We clip 100 about 3 times a year, possible over the next few days.
All right. Thank you, Mark.